Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about Telegram application, and I would like to show you the way how to activate the passcode for your Telegram. So first thing you have to do, you need to open your Telegram application, and after that you just need to jump from the chat section to settings, and in this settings you just need to jump into the privacy and security. And whenever you already arrive in this tab, you just need to go click passcode and face ID. And now you just need to turn passcode on. Make sure that you already prepare the ID access for your Telegram. Okay, let me do it for you. And now you already logged or activate the passcode. So that's the way how to activate the passcode for Telegram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.